12th standard English. And now we are going to learn about gerunds and infinitives. What is the gerunds and what is the infinitives? Okay, let us learn that now. Gerunds. Gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a noun. Just we have to use as a noun. Verb plus ing. To form gerunds, use the base form plus ing. Okay. For example, I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. The base form, the verb here, enjoy. And then I enjoy learning, learn, verb plus ing. It's okay. It called as gerund. To form negative gerunds, use. Then how do you use the negative forms? Gerund use. Not plus gerund. For example, here, not speaking English well is my biggest problem in this country. Not speaking English well is my biggest problem in this country. Not speaking. Okay, speaking verb plus ing, it called as gerund. Then before that verb not, so negative form. Negative gerunds, not speaking. So this is negative gerunds. Gerunds position in a sentence. Here, gerunds used as subject of the sentence. Gerunds used as subject of the sentence. We have to use the subject of the sentence. For example, traveling might satisfy your desire for new experiences. Traveling. Okay. Just we have to use as a subject. So here first one have given here gerund used as subject of the sentence. In this sentence, the subject. What is the subject? Subject of the sentence? Traveling. Actually, travel. Verb plus ing. Verb, gerund. We have to use a subject of the sentence. Traveling might satisfy your desire for new experiences. So, what is the gerund here? Traveling. Gerunds used as objects, and also we can use gerunds used as objects. For example, they do not appreciate my singing. They do not appreciate. What you want to appreciate? My singing. So that objects. Okay, we have to ask question from the verb what. So that objects, that sentence pattern structure we had learned. So same rule here. Gerunds used as objects. Verb plus ing. They do not appreciate my singing. What? They do not appreciate my singing. So singing is gerunds. Gerund as object of preposition also. Okay, that this is rule. Gerund as object of preposition also we can use. For example, he is excited about playing tennis. We can easily identify that gerund, verb plus ing. So where it will come? Okay, so object of preposition, object, that is sentence of object. Okay, we can easily identify that he is excited about playing tennis. Object of preposition, about. Okay, playing tennis. By plus gerund. For example, you get good grades by studying hard. By studying hard, you get good grades, you get good marks by studying hard. Okay, by plus gerund here. Okay, by studying. Go plus gerund. For example, here I will go finishing with you tomorrow. I will go finishing with you tomorrow. Go fishing. I will go fishing with you tomorrow. Okay, it's not finishing, fishing. Okay, go fishing. So that's gerund. Go plus gerund. Okay. Next, infinitive. Infinitives is to plus the simple form of a verb. A simple form of a verb, what is that? Simple present tense, the first form of verb. To form infinitive use, how do you use to plus base form of the verb? For example, I want to dance. I want to dance too. Before that simple form of the verb, we have to use to. So it called as infinitives. I want to dance. To dance infinitives. To form negative infinitive use. How do you use the negative infinitive? Not plus infinitive. He decided not to go to the party. He decided not to go. So to go infinitive, we can easily identify that. The before the infinitive, here what is the rule here? Negative form, not. So not to go, so that is a negative infinitive. Not to go to the party. Okay, here not to go is a negative infinitive. Infinitives positions in a sentence. Here infinitives in the subject position. Infinitives in the subject position, we can easily identify that. For example, to live in the United States is my dream. To live in the United States is my dream. Infinitives is in the subject position. So how did you learn the gerund? Gerund also we can use a subject. Okay, as a subject. So here infinitives also, infinitives in the subject position also we can use. To live in the United States is my dream. Infinitives of purpose. Infinitive of purpose. For example, I came here in order to learn. So this is on purpose. I came here in order to learn. Okay, in order to learn. To learn. Infinitive. So purpose, what is the purpose here? In order. Okay. To plus adjective or adverb. To plus adjective or adverb. Okay, first we should know about it, the adjective and adverb. So already I told you, adjective it describes a noun, and adverb it describes a verb. So that's differentiate. So okay, so here they have given to to plus adjective or adverb plus infinitive. For example, she is too young to vote. Okay, here subject she is too. Okay, as per rule, too young. Young is, what is that? Adjective. That is a quality, young. Okay, she's too young to vote. What is the infinitive here? To vote. Okay, to, okay, and vote, that is simple present tense verb, base form of the verb. Okay, next one, adjective or adverb plus enough plus infinitive. For example, they are old enough to vote. Adjective or adverb, anyone you can use. Okay, they are old enough to vote. Old enough to vote. So this is, what is that? Infinitive. Okay, to vote. Adjective or adverb plus enough. Okay, we can use plus infinitive. What is the infinitive? To vote. So here old is adjective, is not adverb. They are old. Okay, they are old enough to vote. Differences of gerunds and infinitive. Gerunds often follow verbs that indicate that an action is happening or has happened. Often followed verbs that indicate that an action is happening or has happened. The action expressed by the verb comes at the same time or after the action expressed by the gerund. For example, we enjoy going to concerts. We enjoy going. So what is the gerund here? Going. Okay. To concerts. Next, infinitives often follow verbs that indicate that an action will or could happen. The action expressed by the verb comes before the action expressed by the infinitive. For example, we hope to go to the concert. We hope to go. To go is infinitive. The action expressed by the verb comes before the action expressed by the infinitive. To go is the correct infinitive. Verbs that are followed by a noun phrase plus infinitive can also be followed by a gerund. The gerund makes it general and the infinitive makes specific the person indicator. For example, they allow smoking. They allow smoking in this building. They allowed me to smoke in this building. Second one, I like cooking. Gerund. Cooking is a gerund. I like to cook. To cook, what is that? Whether it is gerund or infinitive? Infinitive. Third one, she started losing weight. Losing weight. Losing. So, gerund. She started to lose weight. To lose. Infinitive. When a specific performer of the gerund action needs to be indicator, a possessive noun or a possessive determiner is used. For example, I really appreciate Karen's her writing that letter for me. When a specific performer of the gerund action needs to be indicated, a possessive noun or possessive determiner is used here. Peter's his coming late really annoys me. Peter's coming late really annoys me. Coming gerund actually that possessive. What is that? Peter. Okay, possessive noun. When an infinitive functions as a subject, any stated subject of the infinitive should be preceded by for. If a pronoun follows for, it must be in object form. When the subject of a gerund is stated, it takes the possessive form. For example, for people, so you have to use the for. Okay, for people to see is a wonderful gift. For people to see is a wonderful gift. Her desire was for them to take a trip around the world. They hoped for her to be able to attend the court. Okay, so the gerund and infinitives, the rules and regulations we had learned. What is the gerund and what is the infinitive? Infinitive 2 plus v1, that's the base form of verb. Okay, simple present. And gerund verb plus ing, that's common rule. Okay, just we can easily identify that whether it is gerund or infinitive. Okay, so okay, thank you.